Hi guys, today I have a very special announcement for you. I have been working on a super exciting series. Now I get lots and lots of emails and messages and Instagram messages, Facebook messages regarding menu planning. A lot of times when you guys are entertaining, you message me with to get my ideas on menus and things like that. So I decided to start a menu series. Now it's not going to be here on YouTube, it's going to be on Patreon. Patreon.com is a subscription site, so you are going to have to subscribe and become a part of that wonderful community, but you're going to get lots of things. So I'm going to post on there 2 full menus every month. I intend to make more, but I am going to start with 2. Now those menus are going to have a full course. So whatever you would serve at a party, you're going to have your appetizer, a salad, a main course, and always a dessert, because you know I love my dessert. So it's going to always range between like 4 to 6 or 7 recipes each episode, depending on what the menu consists of. Now I am going to have a sample episode for you guys right here on YouTube that is going to air on Monday evening. So that is September 16th. So you're going to want to mark your calendars, September evening, somewhere between the 5 and 7 o'clock Central US time. I'm going to post that episode. It's a delicious vegetarian menu, and then if you like it, you could head on over to my Patreon page and subscribe, because the next menu that's going to be up there is going to be it's going to be a menu that is going to be featuring grilled lamb chops. Now just a little just to answer some of the questions that might be going through your head, what else is on there? So with each episode, you're going to get a downloadable PDF. I create little ebooks for these, so they're very short PDFs that you could download with beautiful pictures, with step-by-step instructions, and all the recipes are not only going to have the US standard measurements, I'm also throwing in the metric measurements, which I know you guys overseas in Australia and every other country in the world except for America use the metric system. So I am going to list those ingredients using that too, so that's another plus. I'm going to answer each and every single question that you guys have on Patreon. I get so many comments, so many emails every day, so many Instagram messages, Facebook messages, and I really try to answer as many as I can, but I have all this work to tend to, a family, and I cannot get to each and every one of them. But on Patreon, I have a feeling we're going to be a smaller community, and I will get to each and every question. Another thing, each video, even if it's a repeated recipe that's on there that I've already taught, I'm still going to show the recipe, how to make it step by step in the video, so that way it is effortless for you guys. You don't have to go scrambling and searching for older videos or anything like that. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not really ready to support you yet in that way, Dimitra. I don't really want to commit to just $10 a month and subscribe to an ongoing membership site, but I still want the recipes. How do I get them? Well, I got you covered too. So what I did was I created little ebooks for each one of those menus, or I will create ebooks for each one of those menus, that if you want those recipes with the step-by-step game plans, then you'll be able to purchase those for a very low price on my website, and then you can go ahead and look up most of the recipes, which will be on YouTube. Now, Patreon will have lots of my older recipes that I'm gonna make a little bit clearer for you, and maybe like newer versions that I've changed up and made better, but they're also going to have lots and lots of new recipes. I'm going to show you some behind the scenes footage. Every now and then I'll do a live. Go on there and check it out, because there's some other special tiers that you can sign up for, like maybe get menu consultations. Now go on there and check it out. On Monday, mark your calendar and watch the first full episode of my Entertaining Made Easy series with my elegant vegetarian menu. It is so delicious. You guys are gonna love it. I hope you guys join me over there if you can. If you can't, I totally understand. I'll still be right here for you on YouTube, posting at least 3 videos a week. I'll still be here, I won't stop, but I will be so happy if you can join us over there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you on Patreon. Bye everyone.